Good morning, sixth graders. Congratulations. We have survived third quarter. It was the most challenging, confusing, frustrating, unusual quarter I've ever experienced in my life, and I'm guessing probably the same for you. And I just wanted to celebrate with you that we did it. We didn't give up. We can do hard things and we can make it work. I could think of no better way to celebrate today with you than to do some Joy Jar shout outs. So I have 12, yes, 12 fabulous Joy Jar shout outs to share with you today. And I just want you to join me in celebrating the joy of our classmates. So I'm reading them in random order. I'm only reading your name if you gave me your name as someone who wanted me to share who you are. And so let's get started with our 12 Joy Jar shout outs. First one up says this: I feel grateful for completing all of my assignments, and I really hope we go back to school. Yeah, I really think a lot of us share your feeling that you're joyful that you've done it, but you really are ready for regular school yet. So we hear your joy. Next up, this classmate says, I am joyful when I finish homework. Then I have all the free time ever until a new assignment. I am also joyful for the quarantine because I myself don't like going out unless it's important. And that lets me do more time on homework. So yay, way to see the positive side of this. Staying home, some more time to yourself and being able to get your assignments done and then do things that you want to do. So we celebrate with you. Next up, this is from Andrew T. And he says, playing Fortnite with my friends is very fun. Even though we are separated in different houses in the same country, we can still play like we are in the same room. It is very fun to do that. So yay, Andy, we're so glad that you could still connect with your friends in ways that is fun and fulfilling for you. Okay, next up, this Joy says, my kitten Max is coming home from the vet this week. I miss him and can't wait to see him. Yay, we celebrate with you the return of your beloved Max, and we know that you two will have a lot of fun coming up. Next up, this classmate says, I'm happy that even though we were faced with a big obstacle, we still made it through. Oh, yes, I agree completely. It has been a huge obstacle, but we did it, and let's celebrate that. Congratulations to us all. Okay, next classmate says, do you know that feeling when you're in your bed and everything is warm and fuzzy? Like all of your problems are gone, nothing is going to harm you, and you're completely safe? I'm very grateful that this feeling exists. If it didn't, I know my mental state definitely wouldn't be as good. Oh my goodness, this student just totally stole my feelings. I love that feeling when you crawl into bed at the end of a long day and you do just feel safe and sound, and that you can take that feeling throughout all your day as a huge celebration. So yay for that great feeling. Okay, next classmate says, I'm joyful because I get to surprise my little brother Nahum, I hope I pronounced his name correctly, on his birthday, March 31st, which was yesterday. Happy birthday, Nahum. He was sad because he couldn't get a cake and because his aunt isn't here and he can't get a police set on his fourth birthday. Oh, I'm so sorry. So I'm making him tiramisu in his own personal cahoots. I hope he will be happy considering what has been going on. Oh, yes, I so hope that your little brother is happy and has a great birthday. I know my niece had a birthday just a couple days ago too. She turned 5. They had this big fabulous family reunion planned, but that couldn't happen, and so they had to have a quiet birthday at home, but she still enjoyed it. So I so hope that's the case with your family too. Okay, just a couple more shares before we are through with our 12 shout outs for today. This one says, I'm joyful that today is my brother's B-Day. Yay for brothers and their birthdays, and we hope that you and your family were able to celebrate your brother in really special ways. This one is from Mateus, and Mateus says that he feels joyful that he has some of his assignments done and that he's joyful that he's having a great day. But the real joy is that spring break is almost here. And wow, don't we all need a little break? I think we do. Thank you, Mateus, for sharing your joy. This one says, I am happy because I just got Dark Souls 3. Also, my sister's birthday is today. I got her the best gift ever. Wow, so many sibling birthdays right now, and I hope that you and your sister and family enjoyed your sister's birthday in happy ways too. Okay, second to last, so almost finished with our, how many did I say? 12 Joy Jar shout outs. This one says, I am so excited for spring break and I hope you guys have a good time. I hope all of you are having a good time and I would like to know if all of you guys are okay. Have an amazing break and I hope to see you guys before the end of the year. And this classmate finishes it with a meow. So I wonder who that joy might come from. Yay, we're so glad with you that you're excited for spring break. And finally, our last number 12 joy from today's joy jar is from Taylor. And Taylor says, I am joyful that hopefully we will be able to finish the year at school. Oh, Taylor, I know so many of you are hoping for that too. We'll just see how this thing progresses, but know that even if we can't be together in real life, we're together virtually, and I guess that's the next best thing. So, yay for all your joy and for our first Joy Jar virtual shout out. We'll hope to do these live in the future if this continues, and even better, we'd be able to do it live in class as we always have done. But I'm not quite ready to say goodbye to the Joy Jar yet. So, how about some bonus joy? Okay, so for those of you who have made it all the way to the end of the Joy Jar shout outs, here's an opportunity for some bonus joy. Now, I know it's April 1st, but this is no April Fools. For the first 5 students to private message me with the information I'll require, you will receive 5 bonus points to add to any assignment you would like. So what information do you need to private message me? First thing is, how many Joy Jar shout outs did we enjoy today? I kept saying the number over and over to hopefully make it clear. And number 2, what assignment would you like your points added to? So be the first of 5 to let me know and you will get your bonus joy. And for all of us, I just send you lots of wishes for a joyful, peaceful, safe, healthy, and really restful spring break. I know we all really need this one, and we'll look forward to seeing you when the week is over. Until then, stay joyful. Bye.